Welcome to Quizvibe. Get ready to test your avian knowledge with our 45-question birds trivia quizzes. Let's go. Can you guess this bird? It's a blue jay. Is it an eagle, a hawk, or a falcon? A hawk. Is it a pigeon, a parrot, or a dove? A dove. What's the name of this bird? It's an eagle. A pelican, a seagull, or a flamingo? A seagull. Is it a goose, a swan, or a duck? A goose. Is it a starling, a robin, or a canary? A starling. Can you guess this one? A pelican. A hummingbird, a woodpecker, or a kingfisher? A woodpecker. Is it a cardinal, a toucan, or a macaw? A cardinal. Guess this bird name. A warbler. Is it a tree pie, a magpie, or a swift? A magpie. A toucan, a hornbill, or a kingfisher? A hornbill. Guess this bird name. A hummingbird. A heron, a stork, or a flamingo? A stork. Who is this bird? A cassowary. What is the name of this bird? A cormorant. Is it a crane, a heron, or an albatross? A heron. Is it a robin, a finch, or a sparrow? A robin. A duck, a puffin, or a penguin? A puffin. Guess the name of this bird. A hoopoe. A godwit, a plover, or a fulmar? A godwit. A grackle, a drongo, or a swift? A grackle. Is it a spoonbill, a dodo, or a shoebill? A spoonbill. Can you guess this bird name? An emu. Great job, guess next. A scarlet ibis. Is it a guillemot, a penguin, or an auklet? A penguin. What is the name of this bird? A frigate bird. Is it a gallinule, a pheasant, or a peacock? A pheasant. Guess this bird. An owl. Is it a turkey, a condor, or a vulture? A vulture. Guess the name of this bird. A guillemot. A gannet, an auklet, or a puffin? A gannet. A condor, a turkey, or a buzzard? A condor. What is the name of this bird? A lapwing. Guess this one. A shoebill. A parakeet, a cockatiel, or a macaw? A cockatiel. Is it a grouse, a catbird, or a swallow? A swallow. A goldfinch, a cockatoo, or a kana? A goldfinch. Guess the name of this bird. A nightjar. What is the name of this bird? A secretary bird. An avocet. A partridge. Guess this one. A kana. Is it an oriole, a hoatzin, or a roadrunner? It's an oriole. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next quiz.